LCM yesterday, and we had learned how to find the LCM, least common multiple or lowest common multiple of the given group of numbers. Might be the group of two numbers, might be three numbers, or more than three numbers are also can be happen. So if you are clear about the factors and multiples, then only you can find out the highest common factor and lowest common multiple. See, for multiple the word is using over here lowest, and the factor it is used highest. We know that factors are countable. Factors को हम count कर सकते हैं. How many number of factors are there according to that. And then we can find out which one is the greatest divisor of those numbers and which is known as HCF, highest common factor. And the LCM, least common multiple. Multiples list is endless, we could not count it, it is uncountable, and that's why for the multiple the word is used as lowest. The lowest multiple and the highest factor. Okay, so factors and multiples concept should be clear. We have revised this topic more than one time. Due to that reason, if you people are not clear about it, you will not be able to understand the concept of HCF and LCM, and you will not be able to solve the problems related to it. Today, we are going to solve the some problems of HCF and LCM. According to teachers' experience in maths, students are suffering to solve the word problems. And you people are studying in English medium and you are not habituated with the English language, and that's why you suffer a lot. So try to get the command in English first, try to read the English literature more, and then get the confidence about it, and then you understand the logic which are explained in the words in the textbook as well, and the problems which are asked in the English language. So let us start with this example number 12. Example number 12 on the page number 65 is given likewise that there are two containers in which the kerosene oil has been filled. Okay, both the containers' capacity is different. Now, here it is asked that find the maximum capacity of a container which can be used to measure the kerosene oil of both the tankers when used an exact number of times. So we have to find out one another container with the capacity which can be through which we can count or we can measure the quantity of the kerosene which can be used the exact number of times. Exact number of times means we have to find out the maximum capacity of the container which we can use the exact number of times to measure the kerosene which is contained in these two containers. Okay, and for that the maximum number means highest means it is HCF. What we have to find here? HCF. Let us read the sum. In the sum what is given there? Two tankers contain 850 liters and 680 liters of kerosene oil respectively. Two tankers contain, दो टैंकर है जो क्या है उसके पास 850 लीटर की कैपेसिटी और एक के पास 680 liters of capacity to store the kerosene oil. Find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the kerosene oil of both the tankers when used an exact number of times. To find the maximum, what is used here? Maximum capacity of container which can measure, जो कि measure कर सके the kerosene oil of both the tankers when used an exact number of times. Means what? कोई एक कंटेनर मुझे ऐसा बनाना है जो कि मैं ये केरोसिन मेजर करने के लिए यूज करूं, तब एग्जैक्ट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स को यूज करके बोथ द कंटेनर्स का जो केरोसिन है वो मेजर हो जाए. मीन्स क्या ढूंढना है? जो भी नंबर हम ढूंढेंगे वो ऐसा होना चाहिए जो कि इसको भी इक्वल नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स से डिवाइड कर सके विद द रिमाइंडर 0, एंड दिस also can be divisible by that number which can be the exact divisor of this. So we have to find out the exact divisor of these both the numbers. And the exact divisor of both these numbers means what? Common factor. Factor is the exact divisor of the number. So it is a common factor. And the common factor can be found out by HCF, highest common factor. So we have to factorize these two numbers with the prime numbers, and then we have to find out the common factor, and then finally highest common factor. Okay. So let us go with it. Here it is. The solution of this is given with this method, division method, to find out the HCF of these two numbers. These two numbers are 850 and 680. These two numbers are there. We have to find out the HCF, and for that we have to factorize these two numbers first, and using the prime numbers we have to factorize because we have to find out the prime factorization. Okay, so 850 is here. At the ones place 0 is there. So divisibility test of 2 says is that if at the ones place 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, any one digit is there, then that number is divisible by 2. So we can divide it by 2. So here it is 425. 425, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 is the remainder, 10, 2 5s are 10. If you are unable to understand, then you can divide separately also in 50 by 2. 425. Now at the ones place there is an odd number. So if odd number is there, first of all we have to check it out if it is divisible by 3 or not. So the divisibility test of 3 says is that if the sum of the digits of the given number is a multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So if we add these 3, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 is not divisible by 3. It is not there in 3's table. So that's why we have to move with the another next prime number, which is 5. Divisibility test of 5 says is that if at the ones place either 0 or 5 there, then that number is divisible by 5. And here this number at the ones place 5 is there, so this number is divisible by 5. So we have to divide it by 5, so 585 is 425. Again 5 is there, and once we move ahead with the greater prime number, then it's confirmed. If we have moved with the right logic, then it's confirmed that the next number will not be divisible by the smaller prime number. Okay, I need to say once we used 5 with the proper logic, then no need to check the next number with 3. Okay, then we have to move ahead with the higher, greater number of 5. So here it is 5 at ones place, so it is divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5, 3 is remainder, 5 sevens are 35. And 17 is a prime number, we know that. So 17 ones are 70. So factors of 850 are 2, 5, 5 and 70. And 6, 8. So at the ones place 0 is there, so divisible by 2. 68 comes in 34 step, 34 to 68, 0 will be carried out. 340, 0 at the ones place divisible by 2, 17 to 34, 0 will be carried out. Okay, so 170, 0 at the ones place, so it is divisible by 2. Now, 2 8 is 16, 1 is remainder, 2 5 is 10. So 85 2 is 170. Okay, now 85. At the ones place 5 is there. Just now we have checked 5 17 is 85, 17 ones are 70. So the factors of 680 are 2, 2, 2, 5 and 70. Okay. Now we have to find out the common factors from this list, and the common factors are shown with the box. 2 is common, 5 is common and 17 is common. So to find out the highest common factor, we have to multiply these three numbers. 2 multiply 5 multiply 70, and it is that 170. 2 5 is 10, 10 multiply 17, 170. So 170 is the capacity of that container, which can be used to measure the kerosene of the two containers which has different capacity. Means 170 is and 170 is the exact divisor of 680. You can find out 17th table. Where the 85 comes there? At the 5th place. So 17 5 is 85. So to measure the first one continuous kerosene, we have to use it 5 times. And 17 4 is 68. Okay. So we have to use to measure the kerosene of the second container 4 times. Okay. That is given over here in the last one sentence. The maximum capacity of the required container is 170 liters and it will fill the first container in 5 and second in 4 refills. Okay, so in this way you have to understand the word problems and then you have to solve it what has been asked. Let us move with the example number 30. In the morning walk, 3 persons step off together. Their steps measures 80 cm, 85 cm and 90 cm respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps? 3 people start to walk together. One has the steps measured. First के step का measure क्या है 80 cm, second का 85 cm, थर्ड का 90 cm. जैसे एक स्टेप हम लेते हैं तो कितना सेंटीमीटर कवर होता है? That is given over here. Now we have to find out the distance. Distance एक ऐसा ढूंढना है हमको that can cover the same distance complete steps. Steps complete उनके हो और distance same cover होने से तो क्या आएगा वो multiple आएगा. बराबर है? The distance covered by each one of them is required to be same as well as minimum. मिनिमम को पहले यहाँ पे पूछा है मिनिमम डिस्टेंस मानी लोएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. ठीक है. द रिक्वायर्ड मिनिमम डिस्टेंस इट शुड वुड बी द लोएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ द मेजर्स ऑफ देयर स्टेप्स. कैन यू डिस्क्राइब व्हाई? Thus we find the LCM of 80, 85 and 90. The LCM is 1, 2, 2, 4, 0. ये हमें ढूंढना चाहिए खुद को. एलसीएम आप लोग ढूंढ सकते हो. कौन से नंबर है? 80 है, 85 है and 90. These 3 numbers are there. 80, 85 and 90. ठीक है. तो 80, 85 and 90 these 3 numbers are there. And if we find out its LCM, you can go with it. Here 2 numbers are there which is 0 at the ones place. So 2, 40, 85 means as it is and 45. Again 0 is there 2, 20, 85, 45. Again 2, 10, 85, 45. Again 2, 5, 85 and 45. Again now 13 and 9. This number is divisible by 3. So 3, 5, 85 and 50. ठीक है. अभी 3, 5, 85 and 5. Then go with the next step. 5, 85 and 5. 5, 85 and 5 are there. Now we have to go with the 5. 5, 1. Here it is 17 and 1. Now lastly 17, 1, 1 and 1. ठीक है. So then what is the LCM? LCM सारे नंबरों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 3 is 48 3 is 48 3 करो फिर multiply 5 multiply by 17 you will get 1 2 2 4 0 which is the distance covered by those 3 people if they will move together, and this is the smallest distance and it comes in the form of centimeter क्योंकि measure जो दिया गया है वो है centimeter में. तो this is the centimeter number 12240 12,240 centimeter they can cover with the measure of their steps 80, 85 and 90 centimeter. Okay, clear? So I suppose you will people are clear in this way. Then after, the next is example number 14. Example number 14 में डायरेक्टली पूछा गया है कि find the least number which when divided by 12, 16 and 24 and 36 leaves a remainder 7 in each case. क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा गया है ये देखिए. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 14 में थोड़ा ऊपर लेंगे तो आपको ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा. 14 नंबर में क्या पूछा गया है कि find the least number which when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves a remainder 7 in each case. Least number means LCM ढूंढना है. LCM की मेथड यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी दी गई है. Factors are here. I am not going to explain. You can understand because numbers are small. So this is the LCM of these numbers. Which numbers? 12, 16, 24 and 36, which is 144. So wherever 144 will be divided by the given numbers, it will remain 7. Remainder 7. 144 is the least number which when divided by given number, वो जब भी डिवाइडेड किया जाएगा तो लीव रिमाइंडर 0. रिमाइंडर तो 0 ही आएगा in each case, but we need the least number that leaves remainder 7 in each case. अभी क्या ढूंढना है? अभी 7 जो है लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल आया, क्या आया उसका? 144. 144 जो है वो लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल आया. उससे तो सारे के सारे नंबर उसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. नंबर्स क्या थे? 12 था. 144 को आप 12 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 12 12 से 144. सो इट रिमाइंडर इज 0. लाइकवाइज जितने भी 4 नंबर्स आर गिवन हियर, अगर वो सारे नंबर्स का मल्टीपल है ना 144 जो है वो मल्टीपल है. 144 is exactly divisible by 12, 16, 24 and 36. But the question asked over here, कि whenever these numbers will be divided by these 4, at that time the remainder must be 7. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा हमको? ये 144 में 7 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. We have to add 144 plus 7. So 151 will come. And whenever we divide 151 with the given 4 numbers, every time 7 will be the remainder back. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the exercise 3.7. मैं सिर्फ आज आपको इतना एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. मैंने according to our planning we have to complete the question number 1 to 5. Okay, so I explain what will come in the example. Then you have to solve it yourself. And I'll post the solution by tomorrow. First exercise 3.7, question number 1. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. Same जो अभी हमने केरोसिन वाला किया ना, वैसा ही ये क्वेश्चन है. रेनू ने 2 बैग खरीदे फर्टिलाइजर की. दोनों हैज अ डिफरेंट कैपेसिटी एंड हमको वो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ढूंढनी है जो कि दोनों का जो वेट है वो मेजर कर सके इक्वल. और उसके लिए हमको क्या ढूंढना है? हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. आपको ये दोनों नंबर का हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. HCF ढूंढो विच इज द आंसर. बराबर. चलो नेक्स्ट. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm respectively. What is the maximum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? This type of question also we have solved just now. मैंने आपको explain किया. तो हमको क्या करना है भाई? तीनों का LCM ढूंढो. यहाँ पे हमको LCM ढूंढना पड़ेगा. Find out LCM. Okay. Then next question. The length, breadth and height of a room are 825 cm, 675 cm and 450 cm respectively. Find the longest step which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. Longest step, ये 3 मेजरमेंट दिए गए हैं, हमें एक ऐसी मेजर स्टेप लेनी है लॉन्गेस्ट जो कि इक्वली सबको मेजर कर सके, मीन्स विथ रिमाइंडर 0 इट कैन मेजर. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट HCF. ठीक है, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 and 5 little bit intelligence is required. 4 is that determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Which is exactly divisible by 6, 8. So first of all, so we have to find LCM. But ये जो LCM आएगा ना, which is not 3-digit number. मेरे हिसाब से LCM is 24, which is 2-digit number. और यहाँ पे पूछा गया है 3-digit number. Now the smallest 3-digit number is 100. Smallest 3-digit number क्या है? 100 है. तो 100 है, जो 100 जो है वो इससे डिविजिबल नहीं है, ये मल्टीपल है. अगर इससे डिविजिबल है तो ये सारे नंबर से डिविजिबल वो नहीं है. तो हमको स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ढूंढना है जो कि तीनों के 3 से एक्जेक्टली डिविजिबल हो. तो 100 में से 24 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो और जो भी आंसर आए which will be exactly divisor of this. बराबर है, 3-digit नंबर ढूंढना है. बराबर, चलो देन प्लस करना पड़ेगा मेरे हिसाब से, या प्लस करना पड़ेगा. तो लेकिन 100 को जब हम यहाँ पे क्या लॉजिक आएगा, 100 को 24 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 24 4 क्या आएगा, 4 4 6 8 4 2 8 plus 1 96 आएगा. तो 4 विल बी द रिमाइंडर. बराबर है. तो क्या आएगा इसमें, हमको 24 में से 4 माइनस करना पड़ेगा जो कि ये यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर बढ़ा. तो 24 में से 4 माइनस करोगे तो 20 आएगा और 20 को यहाँ पे ऐड करना पड़ेगा. मानी इक्वेशन क्या है, यहाँ पे 20 आएगा. कैसे, क्यों, क्योंकि 100 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर. उसमें से हमको जो है वो 4 माइनस इसलिए करना है और प्लस उसको 24 करना है मुझे, और -4 इसलिए करना है, यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर 4 बना है. ये इक्वेशन से आंसर आएगा 120 एंड विच इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 और 6 8 एंड 12. इसका सॉल्यूशन मैं भेजूं बाद में, लेकिन अगर इफ यू आर नॉट क्लियर. चलो देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. यहाँ पे smallest 3-digit number पूछा था, यहाँ पे greatest 3-digit number है. Method remains same. आपको 8, 10, 12 का पहले LCM चुनना है, फिर जो नंबर आता है वो नंबर exactly divisible. greatest 3-digit number क्या है, 999. उसको डिवाइड करता है, नहीं करता है, तो उतने नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करके आपको ग्रेटेस्ट 3-digit नंबर ढूंढने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है, 2 क्वेश्चन पॉसिबल हो तो करना, नहीं तो आई पोस्ट द वीडियो, पोस्ट द सॉल्यूशन एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू कैन डू इट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर प्लान today's lesson is over. I am posting this video, watch it, try to get the idea, understand the problems properly, solve it yourself. Don't use any support books which has given the solution. Otherwise, you will not become master of maths. Okay? Have a nice day, everybody. Bye-bye.